little friends. I'm Tony. Come and join me. Are you ready to learn, sing, play, and explore? Come on, friends. Welcome Tony Little World.
Rain, rain, drops all around. Put on today. Let's go out and splash and play. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Tony wants to play. Ben, come today. Look up high, what do I see? A rainbow, shining blee. Red and orange, yellow to green and splash, puddles bright. Jumping in is pure delight. Stomp my boots and jump up high. Splash the water to the sky. Hello frog, hop hop. Jumping puddles never stop. Rainy weather makes you sing. Hop and do your thing.
Ribbit, ribbit.
Rain has gone and skies are blue. Sunny sunshine smiles at you. Raindrops help the flowers grow. Watch them bloom and watch them glow. Red and yellow, pink and blue. Pretty flowers just for you. Rain has stopped bright. Golden sunshine, what a sight. Close my umbrella, skies are blue. Hello sunshine, hello you. Sun is shining, skies are blue. Now there's so much fun to do. Fly my kite up in the sky. Watch it dance and watch it fly. Rain came down, then went away. Rainbow came to light the day. Sunshine, flowers, birds that sing.
Thank you for joining me, little friends. See you next time. Bye-bye, friends. Keep learning and keep smiling. Bye-bye. See you soon.